Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Pedal Papa. And this video is going to be special for two reasons. So one, you already know that I'm going to unbox my new action camera. But before that, the first thing is काफी टाइम से मैं intro video पे काम कर रहा था, एक new intro video पे. So till now you were seeing this video as the intro video for all our videos. बट दैट वाज जस्ट जब हम लोग चैनल स्टार्ट किया था दैट टाइम आई हैड मेड दिस इंट्रो वीडियो एंड ये बहुत बेसिक सा था. सो आई ऑलवेज वांटेड समथिंग मोर कैची एंड थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग सा. सो बट उस टाइम आई डिड नॉट हैव ज़्यादा एडिटिंग स्किल्स एंड ऑल्सो आइडिया आने में to put together that idea it took some time, but now I think we have the final a better version of the intro, and here it goes. So yeah, that was it. I hope you people liked it. And अगर आप लोगों का उसके बारे में कुछ भी suggestion या feedback है, then go ahead and drop it in the comments below. And now the second most important thing, I have finally upgraded my action camera, and this time I've gone for the best GoPro available out there, GoPro Hero 9, and it happens to be the latest in market till now, and I feel very excited कि मैंने वो finally purchase कर लिया है. तो जब वो लॉन्च हुआ था इंडिया में, मैं तभी से सोच रहा था आई वुड जस्ट गो टू द GoPro का हीरो 9 का वेब पेज, ऑफिशियल वेब पेज, एंड उसके फीचर्स चेकआउट कर रहा था. And I was also checking out many reviews on YouTube to make a final purchase decision whether to go ahead with or not. So this was one thing, and second thing was the investment. Not just the money. Obviously, it's quite high priced. If you also compare it to my previous action camera, which is GoNoise Play 2, uska I have done a detailed review which I am linking in the description below, and I will also put up a card above, so you can just go ahead and see that camera as well. So that was very cheap compared to GoPro Hero 9, and I had काफी टाइम से I was thinking like whether I'll pursue vlogging ahead or not. So ये भी एक माइंड में थॉट था. सो आफ्टर 2-3 months of बहुत ज़्यादा थिंकिंग and talking about it with my friends and everyone, so I finally decided to go ahead and purchase it. So the thing is कि it got delivered in the morning itself around 9 बजे, but I was working, and also I had to vlog about it, like unbox it with you guys. So I had to wait till the night because daytime में there's a construction going on around my house. So उसका काफ़ी नॉइज आता है. So I did not want that to be included. So सुबह से वो पैकेट मेरे सामने रखा हुआ है and I haven't opened it. Like बहुत बार temptation हुआ just go and unwrap it and open it, but I had to keep my patience. So let's just go ahead and unbox it and let's see how it is. Okay, so this is the package as it came from Amazon, and I'll unbox it along with all of you, and I just hope that it's the original and actual GoPro camera, and I also hope that there is no stone inside. So the packing is quite good. ये bubble wrap में है पूरा. So I can see 9 written on the inside box. Makes me hopeful. So this feels really amazing. This is my first ever GoPro, and I believe it's the best GoPro till now in the market and the latest. Here are the set of features, and this shows like what all it contains. Okay, so this side is intact, and as you can see यहाँ पे ये जो opening है, this is also intact. That means it's a new box. Finally, here it is, my first ever GoPro, and feels really good to have it. And it's definitely a very big upgrade from Noise Play 2. Whew. I removed all the packaging and I have sanitized this box. I am a bit paranoid, so I have just sanitized it with the Savlon whatever spray that is. So now let's open it. I hope you're all ready for this moment. This special moment. It's definitely very special for me. And here we go. No stones. I hope. Oh, cool. I think this is the first time I'm touching a GoPro. I don't think so I've even ever touched a GoPro camera before. And this feels really quite good. So it's cool. You get the branding over here. So this is the front screen, which is really a deal breaker. That is the main thing Joe GoPro has used for marketing this camera last year. And you can see that there are screen guards applied. So I will keep it aside for now. Just check what's there. So this is a really cool feature जो Noise Play 2 में missing था. As you can see, GoPro 9 comes with a USB-C type charging and port, but Noise Play 2 had its own proprietary cable. And this is the battery. So it's an upgrade from the GoPro 8 ka battery. So again, this is 720 milliampere hours or mAh. It's again bigger compared to GoPro 8 and even bigger compared to the GoPro Max, which is the 360-degree camera. And obviously battery has this battery is even bigger than Noise Play 2 ka battery, which was 1200 mAh. This is some kind of mount which I don't know what it is. I'll figure that out later because since I have never used it before, so it's kind of quite new to me. Then you have this sticky mount. Again, I even got this with the Noise Play 2, and I think there were 2 or 3 of these. Then you have standard screw. So I believe this comes out, and this is pretty much it. We have some papers over here. This one's for subscribe to GoPro. Then this one is just an instruction manual, and oh, this is cool. So there are 3 GoPro stickers here at the back, which you can use which I'll definitely be using to show off a little bit. And this is the product manual. Not sure I'll be using this. I like to fiddle with the electronics myself and get to know how they work. So I hope you have already seen my review video of Noise Play 2, and I will soon be making a review of this camera as well. So finally here it is unboxed, and now I'll be going through its features and everything because Noise Play 2 में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा features use नहीं कर रहा था, but this camera I have selected for all the features that it comes with. And वो features भी बहुत amazing हैं and they were quite necessary. For example, I definitely needed the Hyper Smooth 3.3.0 because काफ़ी videos में मैंने comments में देखा है and even some of my friends reached out कि the video is not that stable, the video is थोड़ा shaky या फिर edges पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा cat eye effect आ रहा है. It's थोड़ा curve सा दिखता है edges पे. So all those things can be fixed with the features that this GoPro Hero 9 comes with. So that is the main reason I went ahead and purchased it. The build definitely looks solid, and the good thing is all the accessories that comes with that I had purchased for Go Noise Play 2 are compatible with GoPro Hero 9 as well. So I won't have to spend another couple of bucks on the accessories. I will soon be uploading a sample video of taken with GoPro. I'll mount it on my bicycle and go ahead for a sample ride and see how the smoothing and horizon leveling. Yeah, if you know about it, just go and check it out what horizon leveling in GoPro Hero 9 is. It is sort of it does the same thing which you buy a gimbal for, which you use a gimbal for. So if you are buying a good gimbal, it's another 15 to 20k maybe. But with this, you do not need a gimbal because इसमें horizon leveling करके there is a feature which keeps your horizontal level intact even if you're tilting the camera. So few days back I also uploaded a video जहाँ पे मैंने it was a video जहाँ पे मैंने explain किया था that why I went ahead with Go Noise Play 2 instead of GoPro Hero 8 when we started out this channel, when we started out vlogging. So I'm linking the URL for that video also in the description below and also in the cards above. So you can also go ahead and take a look. Yes, I hope you guys like this video, especially the new intro in the beginning because I'm very excited about it. And this is definitely my first GoPro as well. So I'm very excited. So let me know how the video was and any kind of suggestions, comments, anything that you feel you want to say, you can do so in the comments below. And with that, I will wrap it up. Take care and see you in the next video.